Backlinks. In this video we are going to discuss what most research suggests is the most powerful SEO element of all: backlinks. By the end of this video series you will understand what backlinks are, why they're important, what your backlink profile looks like, and how you can start to get quality backlinks right now. In this introductory video, we'll take a look into why backlinks are still relevant. I will also answer two of the most common questions that most people have around backlinks. Everything I will mention in these videos is easy to do and streamlined for maximum effectiveness. So without further ado, let's dive in. Clearing the air. In the years leading up to 2020, there has been a lot of change in backlink building. But to fully understand what has changed, we must first understand how backlinks came into existence in the first place. For that, we must rewind the clock back to 1998, when search engines were starting to catch on, and Google was about to turn the entire industry on its head. Before Google, search engines mostly relied on keywords to guide their search algorithms. The more times an exact match keyword appeared on a page, the better chance it had of being ranked. What Google introduced into the mix was backlinks. Their first algorithm, called backlink, Google designed their ranking system to give backlinks priority over keywords. Google viewed backlinks as a sort of vote of confidence, much like a recommendation or a rating. To demonstrate this example in real life, imagine that you are a dog owner and you have just moved to a new city. As a result, you are looking for a new dog groomer. In a conversation one day with one of your colleagues that you really respect and trust, who also owns a dog, recommends that you check out Nick's Dog Grooming. That would be considered a really simple example of a backlink. Now notice that I mentioned the word respect, trust, and dog when talking about the colleague who recommended Nick's Dog Grooming. Those words are important because if you did not respect or trust this colleague, or if they have never owned a dog in their life, then you might not take their recommendations very seriously. Much the same is true online. Not all backlinks or votes are created equal. This is the area where most of the changes in backlink building have taken place with Google's increased intelligence of the online space. They have become better equipped to understand which backlinks or votes really matter. In the upcoming videos, I'll do my best to educate you on ways that Google and other search engines are deciding which backlinks to value. As for now, I want to address two of the most frequently asked questions around backlinks and backlink building. Check out the next video right away.